Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I will be your violin teacher. Well. We learned already first position, second position, third position, fourth position. Today is the day when we will learn fifth position. And by the way, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, press the bell, like this you will know when I'm uploading my new video or lesson. Why I'm saying video or lesson, because sometimes I'm uploading some reviews which might be very useful to you, especially that now on the market we have so many interesting things for a violin. So sometimes when I'm getting something new, I'm sharing with you guys, and then you can make a decision, do you really need this and that product or not. So if you are still playing in the first position or second position, I really suggest you to find videos with third and fourth position. These videos you will find in the playlist Violin Lessons for Beginners, and only after you can watch this video. The fifth position is already pretty much high position, but if you will practice enough, won't be very difficult, because where is third position, there is fourth position, where is fourth position, there is fifth, where is fifth, sixth and seventh, and so on. Well, it depends on how long your fingerboard. But today we will talk about fifth position. For our bass we will take third position the same way we did it in fourth position, yeah? So to be able to find fifth position, first let's find third position on G string, C third position first finger, D second finger, and E third finger, and our E third finger in the third position becoming E first finger in fifth position. For this position we will play with you E major scale, and in the fifth position also we can play 2 octaves E major scale. I hope I don't have to remind you, but I will, of course. In E major we have 4 accidentals: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp. E first finger on G string in fifth position. F sharp second finger. G sharp third finger. A fourth finger. And this A fourth finger you can check with open A. D string. Let's find our third position. G first finger, A second, B third becoming B first finger in the fifth position. Yeah, very important. Do you see what happening to my left hand? More higher in position you are playing, more your hand, and I'm not talking only about hand from the wrist, yeah, till fingers, all hand with the elbow coming in front. You have to move your hand in front. So B natural, fifth position on D string, first finger. Oh, too many words. B natural, C sharp, D sharp, third finger, E fourth finger, and you can check with open E. Now A string, third position D, E, F sharp, third finger becoming first, F sharp, G sharp, second finger, finger, and E string, third position, A, B natural, C sharp, third finger, becoming in the fifth position. Yes, you're right, first finger, C sharp, D sharp, second finger, E, third finger, and F sharp, fourth finger. There you go. This is our fifth position. And let's try now to play our E major scale in 2 octaves in fifth position. First, let's find that E in the fifth position on G string. And E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Okay, check. A, B natural, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B natural, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B natural, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. There you go. This is our E major in 2 octaves in fifth position. If you still don't know how to learn all accidentals in all scales, or how to figure out, how to find out how many accidentals in any scale, I have a lesson in music theory lessons for beginners, and the lesson called Circle of Fifth. There I'm explaining how to count all those accidentals, sharps or flats. Well, definitely this fifth position need more practicing. Any of the highest positions need more practicing, because it's not enough that you have to learn notes and the fingers. You also have to keep an eye on your left hand position. You also have to keep an eye on shiftings, and this is only left hand. In right hand it's also bow changing, string crossing, so it's a big complex. But let's not rush, and we can take step by step, lesson by lesson, and I hope you will achieve your dreams. I hope you will finally play that your favorite tune that you want to play, or maybe it's some classical piece. The only thing what you have to do, you have to practice. And if today you feel like you practice but it wasn't enough, don't worry. Tomorrow will be next day, and tomorrow you will do better. If you have any questions, don't forget to write me down below in the comments. Also in the description you will find all links for playlists. If you want to repeat something, or maybe you haven't seen some videos, maybe you don't know something, all links in description. And also you can write me on my Instagram, valeriiavoitko. We have pretty much big community there. We are all friendly, we are not judging, so write me there, follow me there. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Of course, press that bell, like this you'll get a notification when I will upload a new video, but usually it's happening every Wednesday, sometimes even Friday. And of course, stay tuned, I still have so many ideas for you. See you very soon. Don't forget to practice. And yes, I'll know, Pa, pa!